Hello dear viewers, today I will show you how you can transfer your microworkers money to Payoneer and how you can link Payoneer account to microworkers step by step. All things I will show you in this video. So keep in touch with me. So let's move.
So for that way you have to go withdraw, click here and place new withdrawal, place new withdrawal request, and then here are lots of options. Local bank deposit. I also show you a local bank deposit in my videos. You can watch that video, and today I show you in Payoneer. Okay, that's $20 maximum, 26.54 and 10% there taken processing fee. Okay, go to Payoneer, sign up to Payoneer. Already have a Payoneer account. Here's my sorry bicycle. Here's my Payoneer account. Signing up. Here is it. Login. Again I have to login. Motorcycle. Okay, I'm logging. This is very easy and a simple way you can transfer your money from microworkers. Okay, use the balance from microworkers. So we link the account, and now again go to withdraw. Reset my balance. Place the withdrawal request. Here skill PayPal airtime is now $5. You can withdraw instead of $9. Okay, go to Pioneer, and then here you know that's Pioneer minimum withdrawal 26.5. Already I have 26.5 there, and that's my send payment to. That's my email. I already linked my email. Where is it? That's my email. Here is it. My email. I already linked that Payoneer account with enter your email for Payoneer. So here enter your microworkers password. So here I given the microworkers password. Okay. Don't give provide here your email. Just click here. That's that so that click here to send pin to your email. Which email are using for working your microworkers? I mean your microworkers email get the pin code. Okay. Here you just click here to send to pin. Withdraw pin is sent to your email. Okay, you can go there. Here is it. Withdraw pin microworkers. Here is it. See? I click here and get this pin. Get this pin only. Okay. Copy and then go and then paste here and submit request. See here 0.1 dollar in my account. They $26.65 charge. Okay, now we can go our Payoneer account. Here is it, our Payoneer account. I'm showing you there's the money is not come because here you see here pending. Payoneer, they are telling me it's pending. You can cancel and refund it. If you cancel and refund, they will be take charge and you will deducted some money. So don't worry, it's pending for the reasons the money is not coming. After maybe few hours, we have to wait and the money will be come back. Okay. For that time, we will take a break, and whenever the money will transfer, I will show you in proof. Okay. So here, whenever you jump to the Payoneer account, there is a 23.54 dollar transfer. Here it is completed 26. So payment $26.5. Fee is $3. So there is a $3 charge they are taken from the Payoneer. Okay. For the reasons your total balance is $23. So here there are two payments. 11 November 2023, $23.5. If I click that, they will show you that $23.5 completed here. So by that way, you can take from the research. That's the way you can take your microworkers money to pay your account. This is very easy. And when I click the same account, and already your payment status paid $26.5. They taken $2.6 microworkers taken fee here $2.6 $5.4 place and we withdraw. Click that. I show you here is 10% fee, and now there is $0 because I already withdrawn that. Okay, if you go withdraw, and then there you can watch here $26.5 and Payoneer. If you go here 26.54 USD and withdraw, withdraw 26.5. Here is 26.5 daily 11 2023. Okay, that's the update, and you can go to Payoneer 26.5 for USD. There is a daily daily 11 2023. Okay, that's only you can get money. They taken $3 per year. So by that way, you can take your money from international microcourse.com site to your Payoneer account. Okay. Next video I will show you that how you can withdraw this money. Your um, transfer this Payoneer to the BTech account. So this is very easy. So I also showed you in the other video how you can take this money. Okay. So let's go to transfer Payoneer international USD money to BTech.